Imagine this, a perfectly clear sky, no clouds, no mercy, and suspended high above a major city, a massive, flawless magnifying glass. Not some toy store lens, we're talking a structure the size of a football stadium, built by a billionaire supervillain or a very ambitious ant. The goal? To focus sunlight directly onto the city below, just like you used to do with ants on the sidewalk. Only now, the ant is Chicago.
So, could it work? Could you actually fry a city with sunlight? Short answer, yes. Long answer, yes, but it's hilarious and horrifying.
Sunlight carries about 1,000 watts per square meter. A lens covering 1 square kilometer captures 1 billion watts of solar energy. Focus that energy down into a tight, burning beam. You're delivering more heat than a small nuclear reactor straight onto Main Street. Sidewalks blister. Cars melt. Eggs cook on the pavement. People turn into rotisserie pedestrians. Because once that much heat hits concrete, it radiates back. Windows explode. Asphalt bubbles. Now the city's in a microwave, set to sun. Glass buildings become death lasers, bouncing light around like a funhouse from hell. Even hiding indoors doesn't help. Oh, and did we mention fires? Because everything flammable is now flaming. Of course, the lens has to stay stable. One gust of wind and congratulations, now you're flash frying an entirely different city by accident. But here's the twist. A single magnifying glass might not even be the worst part. What if you had a full orbital solar death grid? That's no longer sci-fi. Solar concentrators exist. We use them to boil water, melt salt, or power turbines. Now just scale it up to city melting proportions. Is it realistic? No. Is it terrifyingly fun to imagine? Absolutely. So, could you fry an entire city with a giant magnifying glass? Yes, if you're willing to break a few laws of thermodynamics and humanity. Could we do it tomorrow? Probably not. But should you be worried if Jeff Bezos ever buys a giant lens company? Yes. Yes, you should. Subscribe before someone builds a space mirror and targets your town. Stay curious, but maybe wear sunscreen.